Okay, today we will create an app. And before creating app, first of all, we would I want to log in into my developer edition, which I have created yesterday. I will use login.salesforce.com. With my ID and password. I'm just opening my account. It is asking to register my mobile phone. Right now, I don't want to register my mobile phone, so I'll just go for this option. So this is the home page. Now I will go to the quick find box and I will type here as app manager. The option is here, app manager. Select this option. Now I will select new Lightning app. So before creating an app, I would like to plot something. What type of app I want to create. Suppose I met with a client and the client want me to create an app for he has some training institutions, so he want me to create an app called training management. Training management. So as far we have learned that there are two types of apps: standard app and custom apps, right? Yesterday we have learned about standard and custom apps. So whatever we are going to create are known as custom apps, custom applications. So so I met with a client and he asked me to create an app called training management. So what are the things? What are the requirements? First of all, I would like to plot uh, the data which I require to create the app. Okay, so the name of the app is training management, and first of all we will require trainers and trainers data that is his name, name and phone number, just phone and email ID, address, and what else? What we could add? We could add some sort of speciality. So these are the things which we require to. These are the fields which required for trainers. Now we will have another table called candidates for students. I will write as a candidate. Okay. So now I will create candidates. What are the things which we require for candidates, like candidate's name, and phone, email, and address, and fee. We will take some fees with the candidates from candidates. So let me do this. Suppose what name we could add? Any name like Ravi, and Rahul. These are trainers. Some random number as phone number, email ID, okay, address, any address, specialties like suppose the client is opening a institute, a training center for some technical training like Salesforce, Java. So Ravi is specialized in Java, and Rahul Salesforce. We could have other trainers also, so their specialty would be different. Right now, we have two trainers, Ravi and Rahul. Ravi is specialized in Java, and Rahul is specialized in Salesforce. Similarly, we'll create this, but right now I want to create the first table, so leave it as it is. And what is the name of the app? That is training management. This is the name of the application. This is table, and is also called as object. In Salesforce terminology, we can call it object. Okay, so let's move further.
Yes. Now,
I will write my app's name as training management. Training management. Here it is auto populated. Now the other option is description. Here this is a mandatory field. If we don't fill it, then it will be okay. But suppose, but read here what is written. Help your users by entering a brief discussion of your app. So what app I am creating is might suppose I want to switch this company, uh, and I leave this company and go to other company. So when a person comes in place of me, then how could he know what type of app I have created? What is the use of it? So we should have to fill the description box, so that if anyone in place of me comes, then he could easily find out what type of app is created. Okay, तो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन का जो बॉक्स है, इसको हम ऐसे नहीं छोड़ेंगे. इसमें क्या है कि सपोज हम यहाँ पर काम कर रहे हैं और किसी भी रीजन से इस कंपनी को छोड़कर हम किसी दूसरी कंपनी में जाना चाहते हैं, तो हमारी जगह पर जो भी आएगा उसको ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये कौन सा ऐप है. इस वजह से हम इसमें डिस्क्रिप्शन डाल देंगे. That will give information about trainers and candidates. Okay, so this is a brief description about what I am creating. Now you can see image. If we want to use image, let me try if there is any image. Yes, we have got an image. So this is an image which I might have saved sometimes earlier. So I will select this image. Yes, in a little time it is okay. So we move on to the next step. Here, leave everything as it is. Just go for next. Next. Here you can see navigation items. If you want to add some items, like if you want to add account, you can select and navigate. But right now I don't want to add any of the items, so I'll just move to the next step. Here In this step, I want to add system administration.
Sir, can we add afterward that?
Yes, 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 always. Okay. So here I want to add system administrator. So just select system administrator and navigate. Yes, save and finish. That it is. App is created. Here you can see at the bottom of the page, training management. Okay. So this is the app which I have just created. So if we want to go to that app, we have to go to app launcher. Okay. I'm going to app launcher and view all. Scroll down here. This is your customized app. Select this. So here you can see training management. That is the name of the app, and no items. That means we haven't created any items, like we haven't created any objects. So now we will create an object. So what is an object? I have told that tables are object like trainer. So this is an object, table, trainer. Now I'll create an object called trainer. For this, we'll go to setup. In the quick find box, we type object manager. Here you can also see object manager, and here object manager.
Yes. Spelling mistake.
Here, both these options are same. So if I want to go for this or this, both are same. Okay, no matter whichever option you would like, just go for it. Now these are the standard objects. Here you can see account object, activity object, alternative payment method, and all other thing, everything that is, you can see here written standard object. So these are standard objects. These are examples of standard objects. These are created by Salesforce, managed by Salesforce. So if you create any org, you will get these types of standard objects for creating custom objects. Now here it is create. I will select this option and create object. We are here from here to create object. So create custom object. So it's opening. Yes. You can see new custom object. So what is the name of our custom object? That is trainers. Trainer. Yes, trainer. Here plural level trainers. It does not start with a vowel sound, so we will not check this box. And here you can see object name, that is an API name. Whatever we were seeing. Yes, let window come. I will let you know what is an API name. So leave everything as it is and just save this. Yes, we can see API name, that is trainer underscore underscore C. So underscore C just showing that this is a custom object. Okay, now if we move to object manager, you can see standard object, and their API names does not have any underscore C. Okay, and if we see the custom object which we have created, just let me find it here, trainers. So its API name is underscore C. So this is the difference between a custom object and a standard object. Now we have created an object. We have created before this we have created an app, then an object. Now if we want to use this object, we have to create a tab. So what is a tab? A tab is nothing but a reference link to an object. So without a reference link, tabs cannot be used. If we want to open a table, so without that reference link, without that tab, we are not able to open it directly. So tabs are really important. So for creating tab, we will follow the same process. We go to object first setup, then we'll go to the object manager. Manager here. No, we'll go to setup. In the quick find box, we'll find app manager.
Yes.
So we'll find our created app, that is training management. Here, click here. We'll see two options, that is edit and delete. So if we want to delete this app, we can delete it from here, and if we want to edit, then edit. So this is the app we have just created, and here I will select navigation items. So what item, for what object I want to create tab, that is
Yes.
right now it is not showing here. It will take some time. So first of all, we have to create. I haven't created the tab. So first of all, we have to create the tab. So first of all, let create the tab. Go to setup. In the quick find box, search for tabs. Here, tabs, custom object tabs. I will select custom object tabs new, because I have created a custom object, and that's for that object I want to create a tab. Style, whatever style you want to select. Next, here we have nothing to do with all this. So next, here one thing is to be noted, that if we want to want our tab to work in all the applications, so we will leave these fields as include tab. But if we want that we could use our tab in the yeah, app which we have created, so we deselect all and select this only and save this. Now that I have created a tab, so this is the tab. But if we want to use this tab right now, it will not work, because tabs, whenever not enabled, this will not work. So we have to enable this tab for making use of it. So for enabling the tab, go to setup. Here, go to app manager, and app manager. Now go to your app which you have created, which is to the bottom of the page. Same, edit. We'll go to navigation items. Yes. Now it will come. Yes. Trainers, navigate this item and save this. And close this window. Go to setup. and go to the app which you have created by using app launcher. Whenever you want to go to any app, you just use app launcher, that is these 9 dots. So I select app launcher, then view all the apps are visible to me. Oh, that is left. Yes. There we are. So you can see trainers. This is the tab which I have created just, and right now if I select trainers, then it is showing no other data. So we will add some trainers like whatever I have added in the sheet here, Ravi and Rahul. So we'll add these trainers from here, but not right now. This will be done in next session. So like this, if you want to create another object repeating the same process, you can create a candidate also. Okay, so take this as assignment. Take this as assignment, and you have to create as assignment. You have to create candidate. Candidate object. First of all, you have to repeat the same process which and create your app, then trainers, and then candidates. So if you want to create candidates also, then you can create, otherwise we will do it tomorrow. So if there is any question, you can ask me.